Whoa, so what is going on? Luckily, we are finally getting those afternoon showers again. Unluckily, I showed up at the site and we're about to get smashed, so. Guys are up there. I won't say it's a zone 1. It is a veggie garden, but it's more of a zone 1, 2, 3. Putting a veggie garden in over on the side of the barn. Shed over here, basically over on the south side. They had a small veggie garden there before. We're expanding upon it, putting some nicer beds in, and basically putting some deer fence around it like what you see here to keep the deer out. This has worked great. I get no kickback, no commission from these guys, but I can tell you there's never been a neighborhood I've seen more deer in like this neighborhood. I'm talking everywhere. They feed them, they're like pets, and it has kept them out. So this stuff has worked great here for this backyard food forest. This is about a 1 acre food forest we did about 2 years ago. This food forest went through a major hurricane, got pummeled. You know, a lot of things got beat up, broken, but most everything has come back. Mangoes here are starting to look really good. Homeowner said he did remove fruit this year, put that energy into growing bigger trees, but we've got some really nice mangoes. Oh, I say that and I can see Mr. Paul, he let a mango slide over there, a big one on the bottom. I can't blame you. But everything in here is doing awesome. We have rainbow eucalyptus, you know, from 2 years ago that are starting to get some color, starting to do a little bit of that peel. Obviously some Mexican sunflower that still needs to be cut back. We've got some blueberries he just picked up in pots. Something that did really well here was the neem trees. There's one there. They did get busted from the hurricane. There's another one over there. Guys, I'm starting to get wet. I'm gonna have to pick up the pace here. Caliandra. Something that didn't do great here were Japoticabas. A lot of them are quite yellow. Really nice mango. Really nice ground cover of longevity spinach. And secondly, he hasn't fruited star fruit. Also blew my mind. Everything else has done really good. There's actually some longan on the longan over here. I'm gonna have to get moving, guys. This is coming. I got to get back to Brooksville. This is my last shot to shoot this place. Kind of give you guys a quick run through. Ice cream bean. We got some big racks up in there. That is praying hands. Client here said they have got a bunch of bananas. That star fruit hasn't fruited yet. I thought that was interesting. It's in a well-protected, shaded, wind-protected area. One on this side's gone, so we are doing a couple of replacement trees out here while we're here. Another really nice ice cream bean. And talk about a quick food forest tour. I don't know what's going on, guys, if we're getting wet or what, but I am done. Woo! All right. I don't know what's going on with my glass. You guys can even see. I'm gonna try to wipe you off and end this. Epic little food forest here in Sarasota. Like I said, 2 years old. Place is thriving. Everything's doing really well here. I love this seating area. Sorry about the glass. Whoa, got rained out of there. That was a quick one. Hope you guys enjoyed the follow up here. I'm gonna go over to the veggie garden and get you some more shots. I think we got some good drone footage. I think we got some good B-roll. Pound dirt.